Hello friends, welcome back to Quizzical Galaxy. Today we have an exciting Choose Your Gift challenge. Pick from red, blue, or gold gifts. Subscribe now for a cookie and let's start. Choose your princess. Live your fairy tale. Choose your love. Who's stealing your heart? Choose your robot. Tech dreams come true. Choose your bathroom. Cozy vibes activated. Choose your task. Your mission awaits. Choose your bunk bed. Sleep in style. Choose your house. Step into luxury. Choose your scooter. Zoom into fun. Choose your lollipop. Sweetness overload. Choose your cookie. Extra treats. Who's in? Choose your sofa. Relax like a boss. Choose your castle. Royalty mode on. Choose your treehouse. Adventure is calling. Choose your cable car. See the world from above. Choose your motorcycle. Ride with thrill. Choose your pet bed. Even pets deserve luxury. Choose your living room. Home goals unlocked. Choose your stairs. Step up in style. Choose your yacht. Ocean vibes only. Choose your airplane. Fly high, dream big. Choose your car. Road trips, anyone? Choose your mansion. Live the dream. Choose your pillow. Sleep like royalty. Choose your gaming room. Gamers assemble. Choose your earbuds. Tune in, vibe out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share with your friends and family for more exciting gifts and funs. See you in the next video.